Hey boys and girls, we have made it to session 20. This is the last unit in our narrative fiction unit. Today we're going to celebrate with a literary salon. Okay, so as we end our first reading unit, I do want to share a poem with you. This poem is by Langston Hughes, and I want you to think about how it has connections to either Fly Away Home or Home of the Brave or both. Here's the poem. Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams. For if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Pause the video and think about that, boys and girls. How does that connect? What do you think the broken wing has to do with? Why do you think it's called a broken-winged bird that cannot fly? Does the broken-winged bird have much hope? Is it going to be able to go somewhere or do something or get some food? Think about if you don't have any dreams or if your dreams die. What about the connection of snow? He connects snow to a life without dreams. Think about what we talked about with Catherine Applegate and how she used snow to kind of create that mood in the story. Do you think that's similar to how Langston Hughes is describing snow? Do you think that's similar to how Keck's experience with snow was? Or do you think that's something different? Boys and girls, I hope that you have dreams, and I hope that if one of your dreams doesn't come true, that you can try to form a new dream or a new goal, and that you'll be able to search towards that goal just the same. We're going to end off our unit by having some book talks. Readers talk about books all the time. They talk about the plot, the techniques used by authors, and also the literary craft. I'd like to end this unit allowing you to talk about your book. If you're a remote student, you're going to be recording on Flipgrid about your books. I encourage you to listen to some of the book talks given by some of your classmates. If you're in person, we're going to talk about our books in small groups. I can't wait to hear about what you've been reading.